How this teenager made his first $1,000 with AI art. The world is rapidly evolving, and artificial intelligence is now at the center of creativity, innovation, and entrepreneurship. Among those riding this new wave is a 17-year-old student named Liam, who turned his curiosity about technology and art into a small but impressive online business. Using nothing but a laptop, an internet connection, and a few AI tools, he created digital masterpieces that eventually earned him his first $1,000, all within weeks. His journey is both inspiring and practical, showing how anyone, regardless of artistic skill, can use AI to unlock creative potential and make real money. But before we begin, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Step 1. Discovering AI art. Liam was never a trained artist. He admired digital art and visual storytelling, but couldn't draw well himself. One night, while scrolling through social media, he came across a series of breathtaking fantasy landscapes and portraits created using artificial intelligence. The idea that a computer could generate such stunning visuals fascinated him. He began researching and discovered popular AI tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, and Leonardo AI. He started experimenting with these platforms, typing in random ideas and watching them come to life in seconds. It felt like magic. Within hours, he created images that looked as if they had been painted by professional digital artists. That's when it clicked: AI could turn imagination into reality. And if he could use it well, he could also make money from it. Step 2. Learning the tools. Instead of diving straight into selling, Liam took time to master his tools. He joined Discord groups, Reddit communities, and online forums filled with AI art enthusiasts who shared prompt ideas and creative techniques. He quickly learned that success in AI art wasn't just about using the software. It was about writing the right prompts. He experimented with descriptive keywords like cinematic lighting, hyper-realistic detail, and Ultra 8K resolution to achieve professional-looking results. The more he practiced, the better his creations became. Over time, Liam started experimenting with different art styles, from surreal dreamscapes to futuristic cityscapes and anime-inspired designs. Slowly, he began to develop a distinct visual identity that made his work stand out. Step 3. Choosing a niche. Liam soon realized that to make real money, he needed to focus on a specific niche instead of creating random images. After researching market trends, he discovered that people loved futuristic fashion art, digital designs featuring robotic couture, neon outfits, and sci-fi-inspired visuals. It was bold, eye-catching, and perfect for social media. By focusing on futuristic fashion, Liam gave his portfolio a consistent theme. His collection looked like it belonged to a professional brand rather than a hobbyist. This helped him attract attention from both art lovers and businesses interested in digital design. Choosing a niche made him stand out in an increasingly crowded AI art space. Step 4. Building an online presence. Once he had a clear style, Liam created an Instagram page called Neon Thread Studio. He posted his AI artwork regularly, shared behind-the-scenes looks at his creative process, and even gave followers a peek into the prompts he used. Each post was carefully curated with the right hashtags and captions to reach a wider audience. His strategy worked. Within a month, he gained thousands of followers who admired his creativity and futuristic designs. But Liam wasn't chasing likes. He was building a community. People began commenting, asking if they could purchase his designs or request custom artwork. This organic engagement gave him his first hint that his passion project could turn into a business. Step 5. Monetizing the art. Liam explored several ways to make money from his AI-generated art. He started by selling his designs on marketplaces like Etsy and Redbubble as posters, prints, and merchandise, earning passive income from each sale. Then, through Instagram, he began offering custom commissions, charging between $30 and $100 per piece. The more he posted, the more clients reached out, impressed by his creativity and quick turnaround. He also tried NFTs, launching a small collection of futuristic fashion art that sold quickly and earned him a few $100s in crypto. A few clothing brands even licensed his designs for their products. using them in limited edition campaigns. Altogether, these efforts helped him make his first $1,000, proving that AI art could truly be profitable and open the door to endless creative opportunities. Step 6. Reinventing the creative process. Unlike many who simply generated images and uploaded them, Liam took his creations a step further. He used editing tools like Photoshop and Canva to refine his AI art, adjusting colors, adding effects, and combining multiple AI-generated images into one cohesive piece. This gave his work a distinct human touch that made it feel more emotional and authentic. He also began experimenting with animation, creating short video loops of his AI art. These clips, featuring glowing lights and futuristic motion effects, captivated his audience and made his content go viral on social media. His approach of combining AI with traditional design skills helped him stand out from others who relied solely on AI-generated outputs. Step 7. Marketing like a pro. Liam understood that marketing was just as important as creativity. He started making short-form videos showing his AI art transformations, where he typed a text prompt and revealed the final result. These quick, visually satisfying videos exploded on platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts, drawing in thousands of views and new followers daily. To maintain engagement, he launched a simple email newsletter where he shared new designs, exclusive discounts, and updates about his creative journey. This direct connection with fans helped him build trust and turn followers into paying customers. By combining content marketing with authentic storytelling, Liam grew from a hobbyist to a recognized AI artist online. Step 8. Facing challenges. The road wasn't always smooth. Liam often faced criticism from traditional artists who believed AI art lacked authenticity. He also had to navigate legal issues around copyright and ownership, learning how to ensure that his work respected ethical AI practices. Instead of being discouraged, he educated himself on intellectual property rights and responsible AI use. He continued improving his designs, learning more about composition, color theory, and branding. Each challenge became a stepping stone toward mastery. The criticism, rather than holding him back, pushed him to innovate even more. Step 9. Turning passion into a brand. By the time Liam reached his first $1,000 milestone, his online presence had evolved into a full-fledged brand. Neon Thread Studio became known for its futuristic fashion aesthetic, drawing attention from small businesses, fashion startups, and digital art enthusiasts alike. He collaborated with other AI creators and designers, working on album covers, clothing lines, and social media visuals. Eventually, he launched his own digital course, teaching beginners how to create and sell AI art just like he did. What started as a late-night experiment had turned into a profitable creative venture. Step 10. Inspiring a new generation. Liam's journey is about much more than just money. It's about showing what's possible when creativity meets technology. His story proves that anyone, even a teenager with no traditional art background, can use AI tools to unlock their potential. He became a voice for young creators, encouraging others to experiment with AI and find their unique style. He often shares motivational messages online, reminding people that success isn't about perfection, but consistency. Don't wait until you feel ready, he says. Start creating now. The tools are free, and the world is waiting to see what you can imagine. Step 11. How you can start. If Liam's journey inspires you, starting your own AI art path is simpler than it seems. Begin by choosing a niche you love, maybe fantasy scenes, anime, or futuristic fashion. Try out tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, or Leonardo AI and practice writing creative prompts to get better results. Create an online portfolio on platforms like Instagram or Behance and share your best work regularly. When you're ready, start earning through print-on-demand websites, commissions, or licensing your art. Keep engaging with your audience and improving your style. With consistency, your creativity can easily turn into income, just like Liam's did. Liam's story is proof that success in the AI era doesn't require luck or expensive tools, just curiosity, creativity, and determination. He turned his fascination with technology into a profitable art business, showing how AI can empower, not replace, human talent. His journey teaches a powerful lesson. In today's world, innovation begins where imagination meets action. Whether you're an artist, student, or dreamer, AI can help you transform your ideas into income. The next success story could be yours, and it might start with a single prompt. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like these, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. See you next time.